The Mercedes-Benz G-Class is turning 40. It's almost surprising, as sometimes it feels like the partially Austrian-designed, Puch-derived go-anywhere box on wheels has been around forever, longer than just 4 decades. The basic shape still remains largely similar, even if its innards, cabin comforts and powertrain have been overhauled several times during its tenure. The first 1979 models were available with as little power as 72 horsepower, or as much as 156, even if the biggest engine more than doubled the available power, there really wasn't much of it. But after all these years and all the accumulated Schwarzenegger-style muscle, a G-Class still looks the same, and to mark the truck's anniversary, Mercedes-Benz is bringing out an aptly named Stronger Than Time special edition for it. There are 3 powertrain options for the Stronger Than Time editions, which are decorated with appearance packages and which project the edition logo onto the ground with special lighting. The diesel-powered one, the G400D, is the most powerful variant of the new OM656 inline-6 turbodiesel, producing 330 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. Move up to the gasoline-powered versions, and there's the G500 with its bi-turbo 4-liter V8, producing 422 horsepower and a little less torque at 450 pounds-to-foot. Finally, the highest specs version is the